In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the right Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. Choosing the correct Python interpreter is a small step that makes a big difference. It tells your editor which Python installation to use when you run code, check imports, and install packages. Picking the right one helps you avoid frustrating module not found errors and ensures your project uses the exact dependencies you expect. Start by opening the command palette. This is the quick access launcher for nearly everything in Visual Studio Code. Press Command plus Shift plus P on macOS or Control plus Shift plus P on Windows and Linux. You'll see a search box appear at the top of the window. Think of this as your command search bar. In the search box, start typing Python select interpreter. As you type, the list will filter. When you see Python select interpreter, click it. This command is dedicated to choosing the Python runtime VS Code we'll use for your workspace. Selecting it will bring up a list of detected interpreters. Now, choose your interpreter. You'll see entries for system-wide Python installs, virtual environments created with venv or virtual env, and possibly Conda environments if you use Anaconda. The safest, most reliable choice is the interpreter that belongs to your project's virtual environment. It often appears with the environment name in brackets or includes a path ending with bin/python on macOS and Linux or scripts/python.exe on Windows. If you just installed Python, pick that new version from the list. If your environment isn't listed, you can use the Enter Interpreter Path option and browse to the Python executable inside your project's environment. After you select an interpreter, look at the bottom status bar in VS Code. You should see the chosen Python version appear there. That's your quick confirmation that the editor will run and lint your code with that interpreter. From now on, when you run a script, use the debugger or install packages through the integrated tools VS Code will target this environment. A couple of best practices to keep things smooth. Use a separate virtual environment per project so dependencies don't conflict, and reselect the interpreter when you switch to a different workspace or folder. If your code complains about missing packages, it's often a sign you're on the wrong interpreter for that project. That's all there is to it. Open the command palette, run Python select interpreter, and choose the environment that matches your project. With the right interpreter selected, you'll save time, eliminate headaches, and keep your Python workflow clean and consistent.